Hey guys, we received this gesture RC car for test and try, and this is a four-wheel drive remote control car 360 degree with a rotate off-road drift. Can be controlled by the hand gestures. So I will just show you everything. So it comes in a nice box, and this is the main car. This is a green color car design, and this is everything it has. So let me just take out and show it to you. So this is the main car, and let me just take out all this packaging. So basically, and this car is really nice, like the stunt car that goes 360 degree with a different thing. You can control by two ways, like by this remote control and by the hand gesture, this watch. So this also has some accessories. So let me just show it to you. So the screwdriver, charging cable, and two batteries for the car, and one battery for the hand gesture thing. So like this hand screwdriver is just to open up this the chamber thing, and then you can see there is a button or the connection here. So you can put this battery in. So once this is in, you can just put the battery inside and close it. So this is a really nice thing that you can just put in, and you have a two battery thing. So I started the car, very nice LED design with the nice wheel thing. So see, like even if I'm touching it, the sensor, this is working like the hand gesture. So this is a really nice thing. I will show you the hand gesture separately as well. So but I like the with the sensor is so sensitive that even working with the hand itself. So this one is additional battery that you can use. So the charging cable is you can just put in and use the USB to charge the batteries. So this is pretty cool thing that you don't need to put in the batteries again and again. And this is for the hand gesture watch that you can put in the small button battery. And the good thing is this can be used on grass, mud, sand, on anywhere. This car and have a multi-direction driving like the thrift, 360-degree rotation, double-sided driving, walking sideways or anything. So I will show a little bit demo whatever I can, and let's show. So this is really nice with the hand gesture also. So just put in this battery and just close it. I'm just trying to see if start working or not. Yes. So this start working, the light is on, and then you can just put in. For the remote, you have to use two AAA batteries. So those batteries are not supplied in the box. So you have to get these batteries on your own. And once this is on, you can say you have to remove the protective layer from the remote as well. So I will show that. And this is all connection. So once this is all connected, you can see that it's a really nice LED design for the car, and then you can use it directly. So here I just remove the protective covering of the remote as well from the antenna, and now you can see all the drifts and the sideways thing, up and down. Really nice car. Also have a sound feature, a nice music playing with the car that I don't put it so that the voice is clear in the video. And yeah, so here you can see like this is working really fine with the remote control thing, and also it's fun to play and use this car. As you can see, it is going even top of the wall as well, and use both ways. So nice drift and things, and of course you can practice and have more fun with the different stunt with this car. And you can also use the hand gesture one. So you have to just put it in the hand, and also like the button. So once you just put in this, you can use the hand gesture to control the car. So it requires some time to get used to it, but it will work, and it's nice to do all these things with it. So very nice car and very funny thing to use.